Today we're going to be learning how to call Saturday in two ways in Azerbaijani. So Metro Azerbaijani word of today presents the official one. Shanbe. Shanbe. Shanbe is, like I said, it's Saturday, aka first day of the weekend. Now, let's take a look at some phrases. I'll tell you there what else we call the word Saturday, and then some sentences. Phrases first. Early in the morning on Saturday, or on a weekend day. Now, Şembe günü seher tezden. The day of Şembe, that's why you say günü, like I said. We discovered this yesterday, what I told you about Friday, and how it's 99.9% of the time used with the word günü, which means the day of. Seher tezden, early in the morning. Now, on a weekend day, we have also another word for that, hafta sonu. It literally means end of week. But Şembe is another name. And of course, the most often used name is altıncı gün. Literally means the sixth day. Now, sentences. Şembe günü dostlarla səhərdən axşama qədər şəhərdə gəzib yeni kafeleri yoxlamağı planlaşdırırıq. On Saturday, we plan to walk around the city with friends from morning till evening and try new cafes. Probably for social media. Let's see. Şembe günü on Saturday, dostlarla with friends səhərdən axşama qədər, from morning till evening. Şəhərdə gəzib, walk around the city, yeni kafeleri, new cafes, yoxlamağı, try, planlaşdırırıq, we plan. Alright? Nice and easy sentence. Next one. Hafta sonu günü, aka Şembe, uzun müddət təxirə saldığım kitabı nəhayət bitirdim və axşam dostlarla filmə baxdım. Yesterday I told you another way of using movie, kino, and today we have another loan word, film. Let's translate. On weekend day, that is Saturday, I finally finished a book I had long postponed and watched a movie with friends in the evening. On the weekend day, hafta sonu günü, or Saturday, uzun müddət təxirə saldığım. Təxirə salmaq, the one you postponed. Uzun müddət, long time. Now, kitabı, the book, nəhayət, finally, bitirdim, finished. Və and, axşam, in the evening, dostlarla, with friends, filmə baxdım, watched a movie. Like I said, film, another name for movie. Yesterday we learned it was kino, also a loan word and name for movie. Now, however, today's topic was Şembe, which we learned that is Saturday, and another way of saying it, altıncı gün, literally sixth day. That joke is ready. My to-do list bravely surrenders every Şembe. Now, if you are interested in more tips and tricks about grammar, cultural, historical aspects, check masterofgermany.com where I post every 10 days blog. I also have built Masters of Germany app that is available in Google Store and App Store. I will give you foundations, especially the module one that is completely free. Feel free to download, use it, and I'm open for any feedback you may have. Otherwise, I'll see you to finish the week nice and strong. Cheers.